Thank God. I never thought it'd be that, like, it reminds me of Lake Jefferson.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm reporting it again because one, it's actually worth recovering. Jesus, I'm cold. You know, I am so sorry, Mom, that I made you come here.
Well, we didn't think it rained like this.
Yeah, I did hear it was gonna rain, but it was only a sprinkle. I didn't expect it to be like this. Jesus. You know, next time if I'm invited to an event, we're skipping it. Without graduation, that's the main thing. I just don't know. I know. It's freezing. It also looks like a lake. Why do they have to have the academic letter ceremony, recital, like this? Seriously, this is crazy. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. I'm gonna do that when we're home. This is really dangerous. I'm glad I'm out on my bike. I remember one time when I was driving, it started raining a lot. But luckily I had my jacket and my helmet. Thank God. Well, look at all the water. There's all this water. Where? Oh, that sucks. Oh my God, that sucks. You know, I actually see a lot of bikers actually driving in the rain. I mean, a lot sometimes. Even when I'm walking home, no matter what weather, rain, snow. I mean, that's not when it's snow. You have to be extra careful, actually. Hey, Mom, do you think this we recorded this the most rain in heat here in New Mexico? Yeah. Hey, at least it's better than the snow they had. Oh, by the way, I told Michaela about the plant that had too much water. You know what she told me? The water is less. Yeah. Well, yeah. She's my boss. I told her everything. Yeah. Well, I didn't want to, I was gonna do it tomorrow, but I figured why not do it today? And yes, I know. Look, it was a mistake. I admit it. And that was only one time. And tomorrow, I'll go check the lunchroom. See if it's clean.
Look at all this water.
I don't mind. I clean a lot of things in my life. So, this is actually no problem. Yeah. Our lives are so much worth it than a letter. That's the rain during this. Yeah. Well, the weather here is it's mysterious. You never know what it's gonna be. One moment, one time, one thing it's snow. Oh, by the way, thank you for on the heater. Thank you, by the way. I feel bad for Kitty, you know why? I'm probably hiding in my room scared. Or in your room. Right? You know, if I wouldn't know this would happen, I would have said, skip it. Even though the directly closed. Yeah. But still, tomorrow morning I'm gonna check. Better to make sure if they're see how much water it can. I bet it'll be like a pool. Yeah, like a pool. I can see why. But hey, I have an opinion for all music. This is not bad. I've heard worse. Sorry hearing Justin Bieber's Baby when Nicole was a fan. I remember she played that one song and I couldn't hear it on the radio. Even when I was listening to like 99.5. I was like just like, oh come on, that's this. So I thought to myself, why? Thank God we're going home, because I cannot stand this anymore. I don't want to get sick. You know? Now I think of it, I don't see why my grandma didn't like the song. I mean, oh yeah, sex. I don't mean sex. Oh, okay. This is the most rain here in New Mexico I've ever seen in my life. And I remember back in middle school, there was a Lake Jefferson. It was like this.
Yeah.
But,
Look at
2 hours. That's all you have.
No kidding. Oh my. Oh jeez. Look, there's more coming out. Look on that guy's car.
At least I am like, if I got a good deal,
Jesus.
brag to my friends. So check it out.
Hey, what, you know?
BidOnEQ.com. Auction ends at 7 p.m.
Oh Jesus. Well, it's time. Wait. Well, you know, I'm really glad I didn't welcome you this.
looks like it's starting to calm down the car somewhere home.
Well, I'd rather not risk it going back. Would you? Exactly. Let's get home, scare Katie, and have some dinner.
Yeah.
Hot take now. It's one, we're on our diet. Even if you my shoes, they're wet. Even my socks, even my pants. Up. I feel a lot of water coming through my legs. Hurry! No kidding. Oh my god! It's like a pool! Literally!
Look at all the hell.
Oh my, yeah! No, can't remember. That thing's fun actually.
Yeah.
I don't wonder why.
It probably has the same color.
Probably. God, I'm glad I'm home. I never thought that would end. Is she okay? Taking off my shoes. Jesus. I'm really sorry I got you into this. If I would have known. Oh, gee. And well, this has, well, I never thought this would end like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, so cold. Shut it, kitty. I just been through the worst rain in my life. Oh, my nephew. I got poop cookie. Wow, this rain was crazy. Never been so. It was the most least. What's the most craziest rain I've seen in my life? Oh, if you're wondering with the commentary for both 1 and 2, well, me and my mom were passing time by like conversations. Just an FYI. And as you can see, the rain was heavy. Both my socks, shoes, even my legs felt wet. It's not a joke. Want to look? Okay. Oh my god. This is the most rain in my life. Oh gee. Oh man, it's so good to you on. Wow. I wonder how it looks at my friends' house. Well, let's see. Lena. I wonder how it looks. I wonder how it looks everywhere. even where some of my friends live. Like Robert, Sarah, Elena, Jude. Well, both Judes. Jude Martinez, Jude Chavez. Funniest joke I ever read. Wow. Kitty? Okay. Okay. Oh, Uncle's here. Wow. It was where the weather here is really weird here. I wonder how it is for the other guys and gays. I wonder how it is for my other friends. Not just on Facebook, but the ones I have now, like at school, in the past. I wonder how the weather is now. It is there. I bet it's crazy, or nothing. I don't know. This is actually not a video. I need to. Ooh, it's not. It was actually just wanted to see see what the rain looks like when I look it over tomorrow. Wow. All right, where's my remote? Wow. It's a crazy rain. Well,